What's going on, guys? Smash4339 here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to decrease your ping in Roblox so you can have a much better gameplay. Before we get into it, I just want to say please subscribe. I want to hit like 10k subs by the end of the year, and my previous Roblox tutorial did well. Yeah, make another one about ping. So without further ado, let's get into it. And quick tip, there are timestamps in this video. There'll be 3 basic tips which I think you should follow, and then 2 pretty advanced tips. As you guys can see, I'm getting around 300 ping when playing Roblox. As you can see, I'm getting 70 ping, 60 ping when playing Roblox Murder Mystery. So the first thing you want to do is actually make sure to close applications that are using your network in the background. By doing that, open the task manager, Control Shift Escape. And then here on this right side, it will say network. For me, I have just like Google open up, that's using my internet, and network in the background. If you have other apps open up, such as your browser or Steam or whatever there is, if you don't need it, just right click it and then click end task, and then this will stop using some random network in the background. And yeah, that'll be it. So the second thing that can help you with your ping problems is by pausing antivirus softwares such as McAfee or Avast, or those can stop your ping from going low, and when you pause it, it won't use that much network in the background. So disable it when you're going to play Roblox, and then enable it when you stop playing Roblox. Now this next fix is actually to be going closer to your internet, like your internet router, or by using an Ethernet port on your computer if it supports that. And if you can, then yeah, your ping should be going low significantly. Okay, this next tip requires you to go to roblox.com and then find the game which you'd like to play. For me, it's Murder Mystery 2. And then scroll down until you see the available servers. You see it's right here. And then what you want to do is filter out for ping. You see like the least one right now is 44 ping right here. And then yeah, I'm getting 63 ping on this server, 170 on this server, 90, 80. So what you want to do is just go through like the first page or the second page and see which one has the best one. For me right now, the best one is 36 right here, and if I wanted to, I can join this one. Okay, the next way to fix your ping in Roblox is to fix the connection problem. So what you want to do is, and this messes with the settings as well, so what you want to do is search up Windows Defender Firewall. Yeah, it should come up right there. If you don't see, just search up the whole thing, and then you just click on it. And then from here, go on the left side and click on Advanced Settings. And now this window should open up. On the left side, you want to click on Inbound Rules over here. And then before you do anything here, what you want to do is go to your browser and search up Roblox General Connection Problems. Click on the first article that comes up. It should be the official Roblox help website. And if you want to, there'll be a link in the description for this. And then what you want to do is scroll down till you see the subheading for make sure your appropriate ports are open. And then it will say Roblox needs a certain type of port, which is UDP 49152 yada yada yada. If these ports are open, the Roblox can connect to your router properly. And what you want to do is add this to here. So what you want to do is on the right side here, click on New Rule, and then this window should open up. Then what you want to do is click on ports over here, because we're going to add a UDP port. Click on next. Next thing you want to do is click on UDP. Make sure the specific local ports are selected. You want to go here and then copy and paste this number code over here. Make sure there are no spaces in between the numbers and the dashes. Yep, no spaces anywhere. Just like that. And then you want to click on next. Make sure the allow the connection thing is on. It should already be on, but if not, just click that and click on next. Make sure all of these are selected as well. Click on next. Then you can name it. So you have a name. I'm going to call it Roblox. I want to name this Roblox Ping Inbound. Click on finish. And there you go. And what you want to do is do the same thing for that outbound rule. So on the left side, click on outbound rules here as well. Then do the same thing, new rule on the right side. A port once again. UDP. We're going to do UDP one over here. Make sure that's also, it should still be copied to your clipboard. So right click, click on paste. Again, remove any spaces, beginning and between the dashes as well. Click on next. Yeah, make sure you click allow the connection, click on next. All three are selected, again click on next. Name this, I'll name this Roblox ping outbound. Then click on finish. And yeah, that should be it for the settings section. And yeah, all of these stuff should lower down your ping. So if you found this video useful and helpful, leave a like to save it obviously. Subscribe if you're new for more content like this. And share it with other people that are also having ping problems. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.